वेलकम एवरीवन टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल लर्निंग विद रोशन सर। हमारे चैनल के सारे वीडियोस को देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो। Now here we are going to continue with the exercise 4.2 of the chapter cubes and cube roots. Now let's see question number 4, in which we have to evaluate the given expression. And we are having the first question as the cube root of 512 into 729. Very first of all, we have to find the prime factors of both of the numbers, and here we have got the prime factors of this number. Now we are going to replace 512 and 729 by the product of these factors, and here we have replaced 512 by the product of this 2 and then 729 by this 3. Now we are going to group them into triplets, and after grouping them we are going to take one member from each of the group, and here we have removed the cube root sign and taken one member from each group, and finally we get the answer as 72. Now let's see question number 5. In this one we have to find the cube root of the decimal numbers, and we are having the first part as 0.003375. First of all, we are going to remove the decimal sign and convert into the fraction. Then we will find the prime factors of the number 3375. Now here we have got the prime factors of 3375, and now we are going to replace 3375 by this one, and denominator can be break down as 10 into 10 into 10 by 6 times. Now we will group them in triplets. After this we will be taking one of the member from each group, and then this can be written as 15 upon 100, that is equals to 0.15. Now in question number 6 we have to evaluate this expression, and for evaluation, very first of all we are going to convert the decimals into fraction. Now we very well know the cube roots of these all number, so we are going to write the cube root of these number directly, and now we are going to add them, and this will be equals to 3.6. Now let's see question number 7. In this question we have to multiply this number 6561 to make this a perfect cube, and then we have to also find the cube root of the product. So very first of all we have to find the prime factors of this number, and here we have got the prime factors of this. Now we are going to write them in a form of products, and here we have written them, and now grouping them in the form of triplets, we see that two of them are left unpaired, so we need one more 3 to make it a perfect cube. So the number by which it should be multiplied is 3, because 2 of the 3 we are already having, we need only one more 3. Now the cube number is 19683, and the cube root of this number will be 3 cube into 3 cube. We are having the groups, and this 3 cube, because 2 are over here and 1 we have multiplied, so we are having 3 groups of 3 cube. Then we are going to take one number from each of the group, and we get 27 as answer for this question. Now the next question we are having is question number 9. The volume of the cubical box is 21,952 meter cube, and we have to find the side of the box. So the formula for the volume of cube is a cube, and that is equals to 21952. Now to get the value of a, we are going to take the cube root on both of the side. We get a equals to the cube root of 21,952, and here we have got the factors of this number. We can see we are having the triplets of 2, 2 and 7, so this can be written as 2 into 2 into 7, and that is equals to 28 meter. So the length of the side of the box is 28 meter. Now let's do question number 10. Here we are having the three numbers are in the ratio of 3:4:5, and if the product is 480, you have to find the number. So very first of all we have to suppose the numbers be 3x, 4x and 5x, and according to question the product of all these number is 480. Now we'll make a product of 3x, 4x and 5x, and we get 60x cube equals to 480. Now on making a transpose, x cube will be equals to 8. Then we can take cube root on both the side to find the value of x, and here we got the cube root of 8, and that is equals to 2. So the numbers are 6, 8 and 10. Now let's move to question number 11. Here in this question, the two numbers and the ratio of 4:5, and we have been given with a difference as 61. Now we have to find those numbers. Very first of all, let the numbers be 4x and 5x, and according to question, the difference of the cubes is 61. So we get 5x to the whole cube minus 4x to the whole cube equals to 61. Now we'll solve them, and here we get 61x cube equals to 61. Therefore x cube is equals to 1, and on taking cube root on both the side, we get x equals to the cube root of 1, that is equals to 1. Here the numbers are 4x equals to 4 into 1, that is 4 only, and 5x into, that is 5 into 1, and here we get 5 only. Now we'll move to the 12th question. Now here in this question, difference of the two perfect cubes is 387. Find the cube root of the greater of the two numbers is 8, and we have to find the cube root of the smaller number. So let the smaller number be x, and according to question, we have 8 cube minus x cube equals to 387. And now we are going to find the value of x cube, and we get the value of x cube as 125. Now we are going to take the cube root on both the sides, and here on taking the cube root on both the sides, we get x equals to 5. So the cube root of smaller number is 5. That's all in this video. हमारे वीडियो में लास्ट तक बने रहने के लिए थैंक यू. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट ऑन इट.